Everyone was gifted this dehumidifier, and go ahead and see how it works. Right off the bat, I really like this thing's design. It's very slender, it's sleek, and compared to other dehumidifiers, this thing is very thin and not too bulky and not heavy. And what I like is that it has a 360-degree wheels, so it's very easy to move. We got these handles on the sides for easy pickup. Again, very lightweight. This right here in the back, we have the hooks for the wires. So when you're going into storage, you just go ahead and wrap them up here. Good for storage. Also in the back, we have the cleanable filter. This thing doesn't come out, but you do dislodge dust from it using a vacuum cleaner, or you can hand pick it. And if it gets very fouled up, you just go ahead and wash it, leave it to dry, and it'll be good right as rain again. This right here is the reservoir where the water goes. Again, right here, you'll see once the water starts going in there, the little red ball is going to rise with it. And this thing has two settings. It comes with these rubber hoses. Both are the same length, same size. One's replaceable backup just in case. And so when you're going to be dehumidifying, it has two options as mentioned. If you're using no hose, once the reservoir is full, regardless of what timer you have it set on, it's going to automatically shut off to prevent spillage and overflow. However, if you have the hose and constant drainage, it's just going to keep on going and going and going. In fact, this is what the reservoir looks like. It has a nice handle on it, so easy transport. And then once the water is full, you just go ahead. You got these outlets right here, from which you could pour out the water, whichever way you want to hold it. Installation is very easy. You just go ahead, put it in like so, and it's ready to go. Or go ahead and take the hose, put it in, and bam, there you go. Hose ready to go for constant filtration out. Makes a beep. Again, up here we have these options where we have the child lock. To activate that one, you're going to hold it for 3 to 5 seconds, and it's going to activate. We got the power button right here, auto mode. That right there tells you the level of humidity of wherever you are. Right here we got the ventilate option. That's just going to keep it running like a little AC unit. There you have your sleep option. That's going to disable the lights, the timer. You're going to go ahead and set which time you want to set. You can increase 1 hour up to 24 hours. You're going to go ahead and disable that. You have dry mode. For example, if you have wet clothes and you want the clothes or the room to be dried, you're going to put that on and it'll automatically set that setting. Right here you have the fan speed. Then you have dehumidify mode, where it's going to automatically detect and dehumidify. Again, it tells you what the humidity level is right there on the display. And then right here it has 3 color codes. It has green, blue, and red. So green is the good medium, where it's about 50%, anywhere between 50 and 70% humidity. If it is less than 50%, the light would be blue. And if it's over 70%, it's going to be red. And again, if you set it on dehumidifier mode, it's going to automatically adjust itself to the room's humidity. And then to turn it off, you press the power button, and then the lid just shuts itself, preventing anything from falling into the rails. So the fan itself is very quiet. Even on the highest mode, it sounds no louder than a regular house fan, which I really like. In conclusion, I really like this dehumidifier. I'm going to be using it a lot in the future. I really like that it's lightweight again, very versatile, very movable. And I really like the fact that it adjusts itself to the humidity of the room. I recommend it.